Hello, welcome back to Sushi LIVENODING. In this episode, I will be sharing with you this node tree that I created using SVerchok add-on in Blender to create a barbell. So this could be a barbell or could also be like a simple wheels. So in the future, I might use it to make wheels. So let's take a look at the setup. Yeah, the parameters that I have is, it's super basic and simple. Basically, this part of the barbell, and there's a bit of offset, and there's a few things you can see. The green thing actually has something with the actual barbell. So there's this offset for the barbell. If I'm really happy with this, the way to use it, just bake it out. So we have these different parts. Turn off this. Okay. In the future, if you want to use it as a wheel, you can just simply subdivide it. Okay, so let's take a look how I created this. I started with the cylinder, so there are multiple parts, right? This is the blue parts, basically just a basic cylinder. I just rewire it from z-axis into x-axis and flip to normal. So that's simple. And then there's this part, which is the green part. So the green part has a couple of things. Let's see. Oh, I know why. So I rewire the green part. This is also a cylinder. I have this some kind of extrusion and scaling, so just to get that kind of detail. You want it like this, or maybe you need to flip it. It's up to you. There is this least masking happening. This one is basically just to get the top part of the cylinder, the top and the bottom cap of the cylinder. This is just for convenience. So yeah, so that's the green part. The barbell, let's take a look. The pink barbell is actually, I took the origin of the top and the bottom face. So that's the origin. I grabbed the center face, and then I used them as the position for the barbell. The barbell part is actually made up of ring. Okay, so this is a little bit more interesting, I suppose. So this barbell is a ring, right? I can control the ring. And this ring, and then being extruded, there's a control over the scaling as well, if you like. Just worry about this guy, and then that's the pink part, and there's also another one, a smaller one. Basically the same thing is the ring. This guy, actually, there's this ability to offset the barbell, and I can also, I believe I can also scale it here if we really want. But I actually, instead of scaling there, I'm scaling over here. So look at it from the side. So if too much, it's gonna flip. But you get the idea. This is smaller barbell. If you really want, you can have another one. Use a box select, duplicate this guy. Simply pipe down this matrix. This is the top and bottom of the barbell, the green color barbell. And you're gonna have another one of this. And you can have different color, and just simply scale it ups and down. So this is the offset, of course. This is also the offset. So you can see the pattern here. If you want to have like multiple barbell setup, you can do that as well, depending how you want to work with it. So if you have many barbell like this, if you want to stack it, you can use all kind of different SVerchok setup. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully you find this useful. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.